Thursday. That's when you see it really pop on the screen. And then it's all just going to be slowly moving eastbound, and then it's going to wind up the East Coast. And as it does so, it's going to bring us some gusty winds, potentially some erosion, and then this is going to make its way where? Well, guess what? This is where Jim picks up the story to carry it forward.
Yeah, gee, thanks, Abrams. I appreciate that.
It does. Well, America's Morning Headquarters is with you all morning long, and Molly McCullum is here to show us what's happening at 9 a.m. Apparently, you guys are having a party?
It's party time, Steph. Ba, 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 ba.
Exactly.
It's actually the pinkest party on earth. It's the International Cherry Blossom Festival in Macon, Georgia. It would actually match your dress, Steph.
Well,
all the beautiful
pink. I actually
pink.
wore this because it's spring, but it's still cold out, so I was like, I still need long sleeves, but something bright.
I did the same thing, and I couldn't find anything bright, so I just had to go with a sweater dress because it's still plenty cold outside. Macon, by the way, it's the gateway to the southern climate.
Okay.
So the climate and the weather has a huge impact on these cherry blossoms. So we're going to talk to some of the organizers of the festival and how all the different ways that the weather there in Macon can impact their blooms.
And find out why they have so many cherry blossoms in Macon.
That's a great question because I asked that yesterday. I was like, why do they have more than D.C.?
Yeah.
But they do.
All right. Well, the answer is coming up on AMHQ at 9 a.m. with Molly and Posty. There is a crawfish, crayfish, however you say it, but there is a crisis in Louisiana. This should be prime season. Instead, there's a shortage.
Yeah, and it is so bad the governor issued a disaster declaration to try and help get financial aid to crawfish farmers. CBS News correspondent Janet Shamlin has more on how months of drought dried up that supply.
I never knew how they harvested them. That was really interesting.
I could tell she was having fun on that story.
Yeah,
get out on the water, actually seeing what you catch. You know, it's really cool to see the source, like where they're coming from.
Yeah, but it's tough. I mean, they're really struggling. So let's hope that it rebounds here at the end of the season.
All right, let's get a weather update from Felicia, going west now.
Yeah, let's talk about it because it's about to get just raining heavily constantly, but you've got some rain in the forecast for days across this portion of the country.
Tis the season. This is our wet season.
Yep, you want it.
Yeah, Felicia, thank you for that. Here's what's coming up tomorrow on Pattern. The Great Barrier Reef isn't as colorful as Alex Wilson on deck with their Woo TV team.
Breathing.